Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on BRIA AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in BRIA.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BRIA AI website. Now from the homepage, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. Now click on Login at the bottom section to end up in the login portal. Now in case you have forgotten your password and you need to reset it, click on Forgot Your Password. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then click on the Send Link button. You will then be asked to click on the password reset link that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your inbox and you will find the password reset link. Once you click on this link, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and once you click on the reset password button, your password will be reset and now you can use your new password that you just set with your account to log in to your BRIA AI account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on BRIA AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.